Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to do my 8-week lock update and to talk about my retwist and show you the results. It does look a little frizzy because I've been spraying it with rose water. Today is Tuesday. My retwist was done Saturday. I usually upload my hair videos on Tuesday. However, this is my third attempt at doing this video. For some reason I was having some camera problems. I deleted that video altogether and decided that I was going to start it over. So, about my hair, last week I did experience some untwisting, and when they untwist, they're not untwisting at the roots or the ends. They're untwisting right there in the middle. That's normal for me because it did it when I had my hair natural as well. I was retwisting them all, and I just decided I'm just going to let them go, and I will fix them whenever I retwist my hair. My hair felt a little dry, and it's because I've been working out more, so I've been making sure that I spray my rose water in my hair and put my oils on it to keep it moisturized, and that does help. I also had a lot of new growth in my hair. It felt like a bird's nest, and it was not hard, it was real soft, but it felt like it was just a bird's nest in the inside of my hair. And we'll talk about that when I talk about my retwist. I did find a few buds in my hair. Let's see if I can find it. There's one right there. And that I'm in camera in frame. I'm hoping you can see this and I'm in frame. But do you see here, right here? I believe that's budding. And I also have a few in the back. There's one right there. And there's one right there. Then there's another one right there. So I am seeing some budding. I didn't think I was until my daughter did my retwist. When she was doing it, she said that she saw where my hair was locking up. So that's real exciting for me, and I am happy about my progress. So let's talk about what I did to prepare for my retwist. Friday night I washed my hair, and to wash my hair I used the Design Essential Oat Protein and Henna shampoo, and I mixed this with rose water, and I put it in this bottle because it makes it a lot easier for me to wash my hair, and I can get it off in my scalp. I wash my hair twice with this. It smells really good. After I get through with that, I go back in with a conditioning shampoo, and this is the Design Essential Honey Cream Conditioning Shampoo, and as you can tell, it's mixed with rose water, so I have to shake it before I use it. This stuff leaves your hair really moisturized, and it smells really good. So I go in with this and wash it once. After I rinse it out, I'll wrap my hair with a t-shirt and I'll take my shower. After I get out the shower, I will spray with my rose water, and then I go in with my oils. All of these oils are oils that you can find in your kitchen or in the oil aisle at the grocery store. So I mix those up, and that's what I use to do my hair. So after that, I let it air dry, I put a bonnet on, and then I went to bed. The next morning, my daughter came over to retwist my hair in this bottle, and you can see the separation of the oil. This is an aloe vera leaf and castor oil, and I put a couple of drops of vanilla and peppermint essential oil in it, and it smells amazing. Well, this is what we used along with my rose water, and that's what we retwisted my hair with. She did a really good job on my hair. It does look like it's a little frizzy now, and that's because I've been spraying rose water on it. And it was extremely flat. I really don't care for that look. I mean, it looked really good and uniformed, but I like the frizzy look better. So, of course, I sprayed with my rose water. So you do see a little frizzy, but if you can tell that she did a really good job on it. I asked her if she'd like to do my hair, and she said that she would do my hair every 6 months. In between that, I would have to do it, which is fine. At least she's, you know, doing it. I like the way that she pays attention to detail when she does my hair. But that's really about all that's been going on with my hair. So I'm gonna give you, and I might have some pictures of when she first did it. I can't remember if I took any. Or if I took any headshots or anything. Usually when I wash my hair, I'll try and separate them as much as possible, but they started tangling together, so she had to separate those, and it was a lot of it, especially back here in this back part that was tangling together. So she separated them to make sure that all the hair was in where it needed to be. So this is what my hair looks like. And if you can tell where she did where she made sure that everything was in the twist that needed to be in. And this is the other side. And this is the back. I am seeing the growth in my hair, but I use my rose water, so shrinkage is real, and I'm not worried about it because I do like the way it looks. I think it looks better on me when it's frizzy and not when it's thin, because it makes my hair look thin and my hair is not thin. I think I should have probably broke them up more, and maybe I have a couple that needs to be combined, and I have a couple that needs to be split up, and we'll see in the future if I want to do that. Right now I'm not worried about it because it's in the back and you can't see it. But other than that, guys, that is all for this update. I just wanted to come and show you the results of my retwist, because I had been telling you that I was going to retwist my hair, and I am really pleased with the job that she did. So that is all for this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button so that you will be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.